Hi guys, I am Ankit. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Reverse only letters. So given a string S, reverse the string according to the following rules. So all the characters that are not English letters remain in the same position, and all the English letters, either it can be in the lowercase or uppercase, should be reversed. So return S after reversing it. So what the question says? The question says is that they're given a string S and it contains both the alphabetical letters, English letters, and also some characters. The characters can be anything, whatever they say, any special characters. So our task here is, so we have to reverse all the English letters and whatever special characters is present, we have to keep as such in that place itself. So if you see this example, reverse A and D, last, and C and B. But if you see the next example, A with J they have reversed. Okay. Then if you come see this is special character, so it will be in that position only. Yes, it is been. So next B and I they have reversed it. So then C and H been reversed. So then you find a special character, keep it as such in that position only. Then D, after that here also, okay, D and G, it's been reversed. So you find a special character, keep it as such. EF, it has been reversed as FE. So all the special characters, whatever you have, keep it as such. Only the English letters, whatever you find, either it can be lowercase or uppercase, just reverse only the letter from the string. So this is a problem they have given. So as I said, when I was explaining the approach itself, the problem itself, I was pointing to the last uh, end elements, right? So what we'll do is we'll have two pointers, okay? So one is pointing here, let's say left, other is pointing here, let's say right. So what we need to do until we left lesser than right, okay? So until left lesser than right, first check if the character present at left position, is it a English letter? Yes. How do we get to know is it English letter or not? Is alpha function. In C++ we use is alpha, and in Java we'll be using is letter function. So this is in C++, this is in Java. So first check if the character at the position left is a English letter. Yes, it is a alphabet. Then check if this is alphabet. Now check on the right. You can check either first and right, then left. Anything is okay. I'll check on left first. Is it a alphabet? Yes. Even right? Yes, it is alphabet. If both are alphabets, now swap these two. So first check if it is alphabet at right. Okay. If that is the case, then check is alphabet at left also. If that is also true, then what we need to do, both are true means left and right. Both alphabet at left and right means you have to swap these two. So A and J will get swapped. It will become J here and A will be here. Remaining letters will keep as such. So now once you swap it, increment the left pointer and increment the right pointer. Now again check whether there is a alphabet at this position left. No, this is a special character. If this is a special character, that means if it is not a alphabet, if it is not alphabet at left position, then left should be incremented. Why? This is not a special English letter, it's a special character, hyphen. So they should be incremented. We should not swap, reverse this with the right position. So just increment the value. If you increment it will remain as such in that position. This will be hyphen. Next, once this is done. Now, once you found that this is not English letter, you need not check for right. Just increment that value. Now check, is this a alphabet? Yes. In right also it's alphabet. You can swap these two. So it will be I and B here. So now increment both. Decrement here. So again check C and H. Yes, both are alphabets. So H will be here, C will be here. Now increment I left pointer and decrement the right pointer. So this is a special character we formed. So in this case just increment the value once you find this character. Now again, here it is D, here it is G, both are English letters. So swap these two, this will be okay. Special characters, when you get it, you have to put that hyphen as such. Now you found English letters D and G, so G will come here, D will come here. Increment left, decrement right pointer. So in this case, left, yes, left is English letter, but when it comes to right, else if you have to check. If it is not alphabet in the right position, then what should be done? Right should be decremented because this is not English letter. So decrement means it will be as such. So it will come here, right? So E and F both are English letters. So swap these two. So F comma. So if this is not true, if this is not true, only then we do this. So if both are not true, only then we do the swapping. If both are not true in the sense, if left is not pointing to alphabet, that is not true means. If right is also not pointing to alphabet, that is also not true, then means both are pointing to an English letter. So then we do the swapping. So we have got the answer, which is equal to given answer here. Okay, so this is the approach. So we shall quickly implement this. So first we'll have left pointing to 0 and right is pointing nothing but length minus 1, the last index. So until left lesser than right. Do you need to give equals to right? It doesn't matter, right? So if in case A, B, C, D, in this case length of the, let's say A, B, E, C, D. Length of the string is odd, left and right. Increment, here decrement again, swapping, increment, decrement. E swapping doesn't make sense. So until left lesser than right is enough. Left equal to lesser right not required. If it is the string is of even length, then such matter doesn't come. Left and right decrement, here increment, okay, increment, decrement, again swap these two. So yeah, that's it, done. It will cross, left will be crossing the right. So until left lesser than right is enough. Check if not of is alpha of s of left. If s of s left is not an alphabet, that means left should be incremented. Else, if that is not true, we have to check what else if condition actually. Not of is alpha of s of right. If left is pointing to an English letter, then you have to check on right side if it is pointing to English letter. If that is not pointing to English letter, then right should be decremented. Else, if both are not true, that means both are English letters. You have to swap them. So you can directly use swap function. Or else you can create a temporary variable. So swap s of left, comma s of right. So we have inbuilt function in C++. Or else how do we swap? So character temp equal to s of left, store it in some variable. So s of left will be equal to s of right, and then s of right is equal to s of left, which is being stored in temp. So apparently what are we doing? So if we want to swap a and d, if left is pointing, right is pointing here, in temp we store s of left. S of left means a is stored being here. So once a is stored in temp, now we can change the alphabet at left by d because a is being stored in temp already. So s of left will be equal to s of right. S of right is nothing but d. Since s of right value is being stored in s of left now, s of right can be updated with s of left value, which is a, but it's been stored in temp. So s of right will be equal to temp what we do. This is what I have written here. Or else this we have to implement in Java. In C++ we have direct inbuilt function, but in Java it's not present. So anything works. So once you do that, now you have to increment left and increment the right index. So return the same string because we are not creating any new string. So we shall run this. Yes. So and I'll go through the program logic in Java also. So here what we do is, since we know string is immutable in Java, so what we do is we convert into array of characters so that we can modify it. So we S will be converted into array of characters, then left and right pointer pointing to beginning and end of the array. Then we check each character. If it is the character, each character means the array character in the array left is not a letter, that means left plus plus. If it is not a letter in the right part, then right minus 1, else you do the swapping. So next you return the characters array into a new string. We create a new instance and return it. So we shall submit this also. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like them and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.